Hi there, my name's Adrian. I'm one of the customer service representatives for RLID, and today I'm here to talk to you about getting started with RLID. Now you could think of this video as a summary for those who already have RLID subscriptions, and think of it as a preview for those who haven't quite joined our service yet. There are 5 main functions of RLID, the first one being the property search tool. You can use multiple search criteria in order to find a specific parcel of land, and from there, view all the available information for that specific parcel of land. The second major function of RLID is the recorded document search. We have a deeds and records search tool that is available to our basic, intermediate, and premium subscribers. This search engine allows our users to query a database in order to find and look for over 100 available document types. In general, these documents are available from 1994 onward and are available in PDF format. Individual subscribers do not have access to the Deeds and Records search tool. However, they do have access to a property's most recent deed of sale. The third main function of RLID are the various report generators, with our most popular being the detailed property report. RLID has multiple search tools that can help you generate a list of properties that meet a specific criteria. Or you could use our pre-made report generators that would offer much more detailed information about a specific property. The last 2 major functions of RLID are the comp sales tool and the interactive mapping tool. Using the comp sales tool, you could find comparable sales for a specific property. The interactive mapping tool is a tool used for online interactive mapping with access to various data layers that will show more information about specific properties and the areas surrounding them. Looking at the homepage, System Info is where you can learn about any scheduled RLID outages for maintenance. The Learning Center is where you could find links for tutorials, frequently asked questions, and trainings. RLID News will show any notable updates to the website and/or data. In the Features column, you will find My Account. This is where regular users can change their password and log in contact information. Primary and secondary users can also update account information and manage logins on their account. Quick Look is a search engine for free property information like election officials, school districts, schools, fire protection providers, the nearest fire station and fire hydrants, and zoning for a property. Street Name Search is a search engine to search if a specific road name is already taken in Lane County. Maps, Data, and Custom Services links to the LCOG GIS website, where you can find more information about the services and products LCOG can provide, as well as contact info to make any specific requests. RLID Brochure will link to a PDF of our brochure explaining the benefits and capabilities of RLID. There are various web-based applications that are used for the 8 main functions of RLID: the property search, RLID Maps, Deeds and Records search, taxes balance due, comp sales data, the tax map search, links to various other applications, and the Quick Look. Keep in mind that there is different access to our features for each subscription level. I will be sure to make note what is and isn't available for each level. Property search has 3 main search types: the standard search, the advanced search, and the map search. With standard search, you can fill out property information, but keep in mind less is more. The empty fields are dealt with as wildcards and will generate a candidate list of all properties that meet your search criteria. The advanced search is similar to property search with many more options for search criteria like improvements, schools, urban growth boundaries, census, township, range, section, etc. Empty fields are still treated as wildcards. The map search gives the ability to perform spatial searches using an interactive map and selection tools such as a user-drawn point, line, rectangle, or custom area. Properties selected can be further refined using the filters available in the standard and advanced searches. The advanced search and the map search are tools that are reserved for the premium subscription level. All search types will provide you with a candidate list which has quick options like property images for copies of tax maps, deeds, assessor information, property summary reports, detailed property reports, custom reports, or viewing the property in RLID Maps. RLID Maps is an interactive mapping service powered by Esri that gives users more tools and information for property searches. The users have access to various base maps as well as regional data layers that they can add to the map and more advanced selection tools for more complex searches. Users can then print or share their selections. Individual and basic subscribers have access to RLID Maps Easy, while intermediate and premium subscribers have access to RLID Maps Pro. Deeds and Records allows the user to search for most legal documents recorded with the Lane County Deeds and Records Department, typically from 1994 onward. These documents are in PDF format and are updated weekly. Similar to the property search tool, you fill out known search criteria and the empty fields are dealt with as wildcards. It will take you to a candidate list where you can view, download, print, or refine results. This tool is reserved for basic, intermediate, and premium subscriptions. Individual subscribers still have access to the most recent deeds of sale through the standard search and the detailed property report. Taxes Balance Due is an application that provides real-time connection to the Lane County Assessor's taxation system for the purpose of calculating taxes owing or outstanding taxes balances on specified properties. This application generates a tax report that contains selected assessor property information and the tax balance as of a user-specified date. A PDF report is then generated with the tax amount. Taxes Balance Due application is reserved for premium subscribers. Comp Sales Data has multiple tools for residential, commercial, and vacant land properties, as well as having ratio reports, which explains the process used to measure changes in real market values to keep current with the market. For the residential, commercial, and vacant land searches, fill out known search criteria. The empty fields are dealt with as wildcards. You could then choose the property, designate your search options, and the tool will give you comparables based off of our data if available. Comparable sales data tools are reserved for intermediate and premium level subscribers. Tax Map Search allows a user to search the database directly for a tax map. A minimum of the first 4 digits of the map number are required. A partial tax number will return all tax maps that begin with the partial number. Tax maps are available in PDF format for the user to view, print, or download. Links to various other applications. There are links to different applications for various surrounding cities. Some of these links are online tools such as lien searches, lien dockets, building permits, land use applications, surveyor's images and documents, etc. All links will redirect to the various external sites they are hosted on. Quick Look is a link to the same tool that we covered earlier in this video. You could rewind to refer to what is in the tool, what is offered, and how to get that information. Below Quick Look, you could find links to subscribe to RLID, a link that takes you to a page for the most frequently asked questions, a link that goes into more depth about RLID, what it does, and who it is for, and a link to a page that has hyperlinks to other regional websites. You'll also see a link that takes you to the contact page. And that concludes our tutorial for getting started on RLID. You could join us for our next video in the series about the standard search. And keep in mind, if you need any custom training or any custom data requests from our team of experts, you could reach out and let us know, at support@rlid.org. Thanks for watching. Take care.